Mexico is a paradise in terms of its natural wealth, from snow-covered volcanoes to mangroves in the desert, tropical jungles, and dreamy beaches surrounded by picturesque cities. Mexico is a unique blend of cultures and landscapes, with colonial cities, monumental squares, its culture, and its food, along with modern cities featuring steel and glass skyscrapers. Mexico evokes diverse and lived dreams like no other place. History is so intertwined with the routines of modern daily life that we explore together and discover some of Mexico's most interesting and extraordinary facts. Mexico is located in the southern part of North America, sharing the world's second longest border with the U.S. to the north, sharing borders with Belize and Guatemala to the southeast, with the Gulf of Mexico and the Caribbean Sea to the east, and the Pacific Ocean to the west. Mexico has over 4,000 islands within its territory, with the two largest being Tiburon Island and Angel de la Guarda Island, both located in the Gulf of California. Mexico is composed of 32 federal states, with Mexico City as the capital. Mexico boasts over 11,000 kilometers of coastline, much of it surrounded by major mountain ranges such as the Sierra Madre Occidental and Sierra Madre Oriental, which run parallel on both coasts. These mountain ranges are separated by what is known as the Central Plateau, divided by transverse ranges into two main sections, the northern section dominated by Mexico's major deserts, like the Sonoran Desert and Chihuahuan Desert, the largest desert in North America. In the southern section of the Central Plateau lies the Bajío, considered one of Mexico's richest agricultural areas. The Central Plateau is bounded to the south by the Neovolcanic Axis, a chain of volcanoes that stretches from west to east in Mexican territory, connecting the Sierra Madre Occidental and Oriental. The Neovolcanic Axis marks the geological division between North America and Central America and is home to Mexico's highest peaks, such as Pico de Orizaba, Popocatépetl, Sierra Negra Volcano, and Iztaccíhuatl, among others. At the extremes of Mexico, two geographical regions stand out, boasting some of the world's greatest biodiversity: the Yucatan Peninsula, bathed by the Gulf of Mexico and the Caribbean Sea, and in the north of the country, the Baja California Peninsula. Mexico is considered part of the select group of countries known as megadiverse countries, with thousands of endemic animal and plant species and a wide variety of natural wonders. From nearly 7,000 unique cenotes in the Yucatan Peninsula to the stunning Sumidero Canyon in the Sierra de Chiapas, Mexico is a treasure trove of natural beauty. Mexico is a multicultural country, with 69 pre-Columbian languages spoken alongside Spanish, the de facto official language of the country. Multiple cultures developed in pre-Columbian Mexico, including the Olmecs, Teotihuacans, Aztecs, and Mayans, each leaving their unique mark on the country's history and culture. Mexico is rich in archaeological sites, many of which are UNESCO World Heritage Sites, such as Teotihuacan, Monte Alban, Chichen Itza, and Palenque. Its tropical plains along the Gulf of Mexico played a crucial role in Mexican history and culture, serving as a major center for sugarcane, vanilla, and coffee production. The region is also rich in oil and natural gas. Additionally, the coastal region is steeped in history, from Hernán Cortés' arrival in the region to the trade in gold and silver during the colonial period. The cacao root, spanning the regions of Tabasco and Chiapas, was instrumental in spreading chocolate around the world. This region is famous for its cocoa cultivation, which has ancient roots and was used both for beverages and as a form of currency in Mexican history. Colonial Mexico is an important part of the country's history, with cities like Guanajuato, Morelia, and San Luis Potosí maintaining their Spanish Baroque architecture and enchanting visitors with their historic squares and churches. Mexico is home to many pueblos mágicos, charming towns that offer an authentic experience of Mexican culture. Mexico's economy has a long history tied to mining, which remains an important part of the economy. In the 20th century, the manufacturing industry grew rapidly, especially in oil production. Today, Mexico has a diversified economy, including high-tech sectors, agriculture, the automotive industry, and information technology. That concludes today's video. Until the next one, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more.